Hello dear students, today we are going to study about our natural resource soil. Formation of soil. Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks on the surface of the earth by physical, chemical and biological processes. The sun heats the rocks during the day and the rocks expand at night. The rocks cool and contracts. This causes the rocks to crack and break into smaller pieces. Water enters the cracks in the rocks, and when water freezes, it expands and causes the cracks in the rocks to widen and break into smaller pieces. The flowing water carries the rock pieces. These pieces rub against each other and become smaller and smaller particles. Strong winds also breaks rocks into smaller particles and carries it from one place to the other. The roots of large trees grow into the cracks in rocks and breaks it into smaller pieces. Lichens, which grow on rocks, produce some substance which causes the rock surface to powder and becomes soil. Now, composition of soil. Soil is a mixture of rock particles, decayed organisms called humus, living organisms, minerals, air, and water. The amount of minerals, humus, air, and water are the factors which decides the biodiversity in that area. Next topic, soil pollution. The addition of harmful substances which affects the fertility of the soil and kills the diversity of organisms living in it is called soil pollution. Soil pollution is caused by the excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides. It kills the organisms like earthworms and bacteria which makes the soil rich in humus. The removal of useful components and addition of other harmful substances reduces the fertility of soil and causes soil pollution. Next topic, soil erosion. The carrying away of soil from one place to the other by flowing water and wind is called soil pollution. Large-scale deforestation also causes soil erosion. Soil erosion can be reduced or prevented by vegetative cover on the ground, afforestation, construction of burns, terrace, dams, etc. There is one activity effect of flowing water on top soil. Take two trays of the same size and fill them with soil. Plant mustard or green gram in one of the trays. Water both the trays for a few days till the first tray is covered by plant growth. Tilt both the trays at the same angle. Pour equal amount of water gently on both the trays. More soil is carried out of the tray which did not have plant growth. This shows that vegetative cover reduces soil erosion. Now the next topic, biogeochemical cycles. The biogeochemical cycles are the transfer of matter and energy between the biotic and abiotic components of the biosphere. The common biogeochemical cycles are water cycle, nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, oxygen cycle. Water cycle. When water bodies are heated during the day, a large amount of water evaporates and rises up. Some water vapor also get into the atmosphere due to biological activities like transpiration and respiration. As the water vapors rise, it cools and condenses to form tiny droplets of water. This appears as clouds. When the tiny droplets of water join together to form bigger drops of water, they fall down as rain, snow, or hail. Some of this water enters the ground and forms groundwater. When water flows from the land to the seas, it carries many nutrients and minerals which are used by marine organisms. This is the diagram of water cycle.